Can we remove suggested files from Google Drive? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can remove the suggested files section from Google Drive. So let's get started. First, let us see what we're talking about. First, open up Drive, go to drive.google.com, and now if you head over to the home page, there you will see different options and different sections such as suggested folders and suggested files. Now, let's say that I want to remove the suggested section. Now, previously, we could head over to settings, tap on the settings on the top right, and go to your settings. And on the settings, if we scrolled down, there was an option which allowed us to hide the suggested files and folders. Now, currently, this feature has been removed by Google. So, yeah, you can just head back and you can check other settings, but you won't find any option which will hide suggested folders and suggested file section. But we can just press on the suggested files and folders option like that to simply hide whatever is in it. And that's the only thing that we can do. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.